Today on Cruiseman's Garage, we're going to take a look at the X9 Pro, a compact tire inflator from Fanttik.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
So let's take a look inside this box for the X9 Pro from Fanttik. I would like to let you know right up front that Fanttik did send me this to test and review, but this is not a sponsored video. Fanttik is not paying me to make the video. Okay, so the first glance, this is a very solid feeling unit. It looks very similar in design to some of the other Fanttik tire inflators. It has the power button in the middle and some of the other buttons in a circular fashion. The air hose is permanently attached at the top of the unit, which makes it a little bit different. And there is a USB-C charging port on the bottom of the unit. Like all Fanttik products, it does come with a small user manual. Now the print is pretty small, but it is well written and nicely illustrated. The unit ships with a USB to USB-C charging cable. The unit powers on as soon as you remove the air hose from the body of the unit. I want to compare this unit to my X8 Apex, which I have been using for the past several years. I keep this on my motorcycle. I also have another one in the car. You can see I have the Fanttik case to go with it. Let's take a look and see how they compare as far as weight and size, and then we'll compare the performance. One difference you notice right off the bat is that the X8 Apex has a separate air hose that has to be attached before it can be used, while the X9 Pro has its hose already attached to the unit. I found a small case on Amazon for the X9 Pro that fits perfectly in my left saddlebag. This case is a perfect fit for the X9 Pro, and it just makes it very handy. It even has a little zipper pouch at the top for accessories. Let's compare the size of the X8 Apex compared to the X9 Pro. The one at the top is the X8 Apex. This is the case that comes from Fanttik. If we turn it up on its end, you can see kind of how thick this case is compared to the one for the X9 Pro. It's quite a bit thicker and longer. If we weigh the X8 Apex, we see it's about 41.5 ounces. The X9 Pro is about half as much at 20.8 ounces. Let's charge up this X9 Pro and give it a test. Now I've got my X8 Apex here, as well as the X9 Pro, and we're going to compare the performance of these two units. But first, I have to let all the air out of my front tire on my Honda Goldwing. Let's see how long it takes this X9 Pro to fully air up a completely empty front tire on a Honda Goldwing. Now you'll notice when I pulled the hose out of the body, it turns the unit on automatically. That's how you power on the unit. You can power off the unit using the power button on the center, but you have to have the hose out of the body to actually turn the unit on. Okay, I've got it secured on the valve stem. You can see I have 0 PSI. I'm going to set this to 40 pounds per square inch. I'm using PSI, and let's see how long it takes to air it up. Now the unit does not feel hot at all. It's very cool, which is a good thing. Okay, let's undo this. Oh, now the hose is a little warm. I do feel the heat in the hose, but not on the unit itself. You know, one thing I do like is to turn the unit off. You just simply put this back in its little holder and it turns it off. Very cool. And remember, this is a worst case scenario. This is a completely flat front tire on a Honda Goldwing. Let's try my old standby here. Okay, so we've got this one hooked up. We're ready to try it. It's set to 41 pounds. Let me go down to 40. just to make an even comparison. Okay, so you can see this unit does have a little bit stronger pump. It is a little bit faster. I'd say I'll put the numbers on the screen. It appears to be about 30%, maybe 33% faster, airing up a tire from completely empty to 40 pounds, a front tire of a Honda Goldwing anyway. The hose is a little warm, not bad. The unit itself is not. It's cool all the way around, no heat. It did use up 25% of the battery based on the display. This one, let's see, it still shows fully charged. Interesting, isn't it? But of course, you never know. You turn it on and do something, it might drop right down to 25 or 75%, but it doesn't show any battery degradation. This one is down to 25%, or 75%, I should say. So this one definitely is faster. This one also has the advantage of it's got a USB-A output. You can use this as a power bank if you needed to charge your cell phone. Both of them do charge via USB-C. This one, I don't believe you can use this as a power bank. I think that's strictly for charging. They both do have a light. There we go. So you do have to have this out. If you plug it back in, that turns all the power off. So you have to have it powered up. There we go. Okay, so there's a light. It is not as robust as far as memory settings and things like that, but it does let you set the PSI and it will shut off automatically when it gets to that PSI. Very similar display to the Apex. As long as this is out, you can turn it on using the power button here. So we can turn it off like that, but as soon as you put this in, it's going to turn it off anyway. So I do like the form factor. It's very small. It is lighter, and it's going to take up less space. This unit, of course, has a much more substantial light. I'll just show you that real quick on the end. I mean, that's a pretty bright light, and it's got different modes. You can have it do like a flash. So I am going to say the X9 Pro is a success. This is kind of, in my mind, this is what Fanttik is really known for, or these types of products. If any of you don't need those other features that the larger unit has, then this is a good one. It's smaller, it's lighter, it takes up less space. The X9 Pro has replaced the X8 Apex as my tire inflator of choice for my Honda Goldwing, just because of the size difference and the weight difference. It doesn't have all the features, but it's more than good enough for a motorcycle, and I'll move that X8 Apex to another vehicle. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, and check out the links in the description if you're interested in these products.